काइंड चैनल के सारे दर्शक को मैं पत्रकार राहुल मीनाकंदा ने दिखा रहा हूँ। ये क्रेन है इधर मार्च में, ये खेत में एक क्रेन सुंदर नजरिया। ये बर्ड्स, white birds, typically white bird of India. These are the birds that shading absolute white beauty, and you are watching, and you have seen these birds. I'm showing you. I'm going through the fields. These are the real villages of India, and these are the fields, and these are the white birds, white cranes, and they are trading. They are sitting in the fields. I'm showing you absolute beauty, and they are trading on the wet lands. The paddy plant here, you can see these are the saplings, and these are the birds. Some of the birds, you see, they are flying. You see, most of the birds are flying, and they are moving, and they are going on that side in clusters. They're clusters. They are coming, and they are coming in chains, and the beauty. And you see, this side 3 birds are flying, and they're flying and moving. Absolute scenic beauty here, and they're moving and going and all disappearing, and these 3 are moving. Here you can see in the distance, and one is coming this side. You can see here these birds, and it's spreading its wings, and it's moving. Watching these birds, the Wright brothers, Wilbur Wright and Oliver Wright, had invented telephone, and this is the only bird, and here it is moving in waving its wings, and it's moving and moving and moving, and fine scenic beauty. ये अच्छी नज़रिया, और ये भागते हुए और ये पेड़ में चला गया। ये अच्छी, ये और 2 बर्ड है उधर, ये फील्ड में सब, ये एक